everyone. Concrete truck is here. Oh, what's that over the top of the hill? That's the concrete truck. Today we're laying the fabric, fab form for the footings.
Yeah.
They're 24 inch by 12 inch, 24 wide, 12 inches deep. That gives us the number 44 line on both sides. Center line here right down the middle. 1 foot overlap here. And Dawn getting crazy with the stapling. Haha. We're on it now, man. We're almost ready to pour. All right, we got our fab form down. We got 3 rows of number 4. 3 rows of number 4 in lieu of 2 of 5. And we got that setting up about 6 inches because it's a 12-inch pour, 12 inch deep. And we're gonna manipulate it a little bit and maybe bring it down. It's got to be a minimum of 3 inches off the bottom, and we're closer to 5 and 6 as we go through. And then we got all of our stand-up dowels, we call them, laying out, and we're going to do 24 on center across all the dowels. And I don't know if he's going to be able to get any concrete anywhere near here based on the straight cut edges. He said this was really deep. Is it too deep, I wonder?
Oh, it's pretty deep.
Well, looky here. Dawn is putting the dowels in. 24 on center, all plumb. And we are working our footing. It's a 24 inch wide by 12 inches deep. And I, again, ran 3 courses of number 4. This 4 is 1/2 inch. And we run 3 number 4s in here, and I went down about 5 off the ground, 5-6 inches. You know, normally 3 inches is good for like a 6-inch slab or something, but this is 12 inch, so we raised her up. So we got some really good support here. And I'm just taking some of the water off because we used the fab form, and there was quite a bit of water in there yet. And it's still seeping up through the top, but it won't come through the fabric in the future. That's the main thing. And then Dawn is looking at putting a corner post in, and she's contemplating the snot out of it.
Yeah.
Which is good, because she's trying to make sure she does it right. Did you try doing a line between the 2 points?
I did not yet.
Okay.
I'm looking for this point here, but I think I got it right here.
Well, those aren't going to be perfect. Remember, I did them. Okay, so we got the pour in, everybody. There's the septic line. And we wanted to make sure that when we put the ICF block up, that septic line will actually go through the block. So I think we got her.